Hello, my name is Tatiana Kelly, and I'll be talking about the Casca Wholesale Corporation, which was our assignment for Business Capstone project. I was a part of Group 1, and as I said before, we chose Casca as a company we looked, and my group did a really big job on looking at various aspects of Casca and the industry. We completed a project which was more than 30 pages together, so I had hard time choosing the information for the poster. But so these couple main things I came up with, and I thought they're most important for people to look at to know what Casca is and how's it doing financially, and I included SWOT analysis and recommendations on the bottom. So I started with company overview, and this paragraph here just describes how it was started in 1983 by Jeffrey Brotman, James Sinegal, and merged with Price Club in 1993 and struggled first 2 years, then launched its own Kirkland Signature brand in 2 years, and it went really well. And since that, they've been doing really good, and Casca grown to over 760 stores in 45 states, in Washington, D.C., Puerto Rico, and 10 more countries with 95 million members. And this is the largest wholesale club operator. Casca offers membership cards, and so members can shop with these cards, and this is the biggest sale item, I believe, the membership cards. So when with this card, the public can buy a variety of products, about 3,700 different products, mostly food items, different groceries, supplies, household items. It includes furniture and appliances. It actually sells gasoline. It has a pharmacy. It has a eye center. It has a photo center. It has many Costco has tire centers. They'll also help you with travel packages and many other things. So then I moved into financial analysis, and so we can look at the revenue growth comparison, the chart, which shows the Costco's growth growing very steadily in its revenue above BJ's and above Walmart and above industry average. Amazon is one of the competitors because it's also a big retailer, but its online retailer has his own different categories and growing very rapidly. So if you look at financial analysis, it describes that Costco has very good revenue growth, very good sales growth. I included liquidity ratios, which shows that Costco would have no trouble turning its assets to pay its liabilities. And overall, Costco doing really well financially, although it has some lower than industry profit margins, which is indicate that they have high operating expenses, which could probably have something to do with their expansion overseas. Overall, their financial situation is very stable. Also included our SWOT analysis. Sorry about that. And the strength of that is Costco has very diversified store networks. Costco uses technology to sell things online, as many other companies do now. Costco has very good growth revenue, and its inventory turnover is very high. Weaknesses is, of course, Costco facing competition, and some legislation issues can prevent Costco from growing, and high operational expenses. Opportunities are obviously in online purchasing right now, threats, competition, increased labor cost, and other issues. And recommendations on the bottom. I think the main recommendation right now could be concentrate more on e-commerce. Because this is what people try to do now. They like shopping online, so use technology, develop technology to keep this online sales going higher, and go eco-friendly and green. So that is it for my presentation. Thank you. Bye.